guys, I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. So today I'm here to discuss on a very interesting topic because I have been hearing this thing a lot from people around me in the last few months when they realize that I am helping out people to build multiple sources of income. And this one thing, I have heard so many people asking me, and that is, yeah, what is the quickest way to make money? Please tell us, we would start working on it. People think that making money is really easy and it's like a get rich quick scheme that is running around in the market. Just grab it and become rich. Guys, there's nothing like that. And this is episode number 5 of 100% risk in relying on one source of income. And I want to tell you all, there is nothing like get rich quick scheme that goes around. You have to put in your time to make money, period. There's no other option, guys. How can you expect that, just without putting in your time or without putting in a lot of money, maybe not exactly a lot of money. Some people say that we don't want to put in money, we don't want to put in time. Now tell us, how do we make money? Come on, guys. If that was possible, don't you think everybody on this planet Earth would be a millionaire or a billionaire? So that's something not possible. But is it possible to generate multiple sources of income by putting in time? Most definitely it is. Definitely it is. That's how people have been doing it. So I come to my next question that people ask me. How do you get time to manage so many things? This is a question I find the funniest. Why? People ask me, how do you get time? Guys, don't I already have time? What is the basic definition of getting? It means that you have to take it from someone. Do I have to take my time from someone, or I already have my time? And I have to decide as to what I want to do in my time. So there is exactly nothing like I don't have time. Replace this line with saying it is not in my priority list. Guys, I find people saying that I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to start my own business, I want to start my own YouTube channel, I want to quit my job and do something else. It's just that I don't get time to think about it and I don't get time to do it. Why do you need to get time? It's your time, guys. You have to use your time. You have to decide where you need to put your time into. Isn't it? Because I take it this way. If you say, I don't have time, I don't get time, it means your time is not your time. It's someone else's time. You're not living your life, you're living someone else's life. If you say that I am into a very hectic job and I cannot take out time to do something that I'm really passionate about, such as it may be gardening, it may be baking, you don't get time for that because you're too busy doing a job. And if asked, do you really enjoy that job? People say, no, we don't, but there's no option. Who told you there's no option? It's your life, it's your time. Isn't it? So, if you're not taking out time for building your future, for building income for yourself, for doing things that you like to do, and you know in your heart, deep in your heart, are important for you and they really matter. That job may not matter, but the things that you want to do and building up your own business really matters to you. But you are constantly giving yourself that one excuse that you've made yourself believe that I don't have time or I don't get time. If you are not getting time to do something that you want to do and that would make your life better and that would add up to other people's life, because in order to make a lot of money, you need to add value to a lot of people's lives and you need to solve a lot of problems in the world. So if that is what you want to do, but you're not getting time for that, that means you're not living your life, you're living your employer's life. And he, instead of having 24 hours in a day, has got 48 hours in a day. So lucky of him, because your 24 hours are also his 24 hours. So I take it that way. So whenever somebody comes to me and says that along with a full-time job, how are you able to manage your business? How are you able to write a book alongside? How are you able to create videos? How are you able to create social media posts? I say to them, I have decided it. That's why I'm able to do it. if somebody else was driving my life just like somebody else is driving your life, maybe I wouldn't have been able to do it. So guys, understand it. There is nothing like a get rich quick scheme, and there is nothing like I don't have time to become wealthy or to basically have enough money to fulfill the needs and more importantly wants of your life, because they are equally important. We are not on this earth to only fulfill our needs. We have our wants and we have our desires, and we are on this earth to fulfill those. Otherwise, why are we even living? We don't like our job, but we say we don't have time to do anything else because we are into a job. Why are you living then? If you don't have time for something that you really enjoy doing, if you don't have time to fulfill the needs, you don't have time to take out for yourself or for your family because you're too busy into things. Realize it. And that is my purpose of creating this video today, because it has been so frustrating when people say that how do you take out time, where does time come from, how do you generate time. It's all about priorities. There is nothing like I don't have time, because if you don't have time, then that means nobody has time in this world, right? Because everybody has the same amount of time. It's not like you have 24 hours, but I have 36 hours and Bill Gates has 48 hours and maybe Jeff Bezos has 96 hours in a day. It's not like that, guys. That's not how he has been able to build up his businesses or his empire. Or anybody who has done something worthwhile in his life has not been able to do it just because he was given more hours in a day. So there is no point in even debating on this topic. That is why I find this so irritating when people say that I don't have time. Come on, guys. Time is a commodity which is given equally to everybody. I would have still accepted it if you said I don't have money, because money is not equally divided amongst everybody. But time, come on, God has given equal amount of time to everybody. It's you who has to decide where your time would go, and it's you who has to decide what are your priorities in life. And that is as simple as it is. So guys, why am I covering this? Because when you are on the mission of building up multiple sources of income, you would have to take out time to do that, and that will have to become one of your most important priorities, else it would never happen. So if you really want to build multiple sources of income and you've come this far in watching me in this video, I definitely know that you want to. So go out for that, but take out time for that. Schedule your whatever you do in the day, and I am sure that you would find out time. It's your time. You have to manage it. You don't have to get it from somebody. It has already been given to you by God's grace. And if you're breathing today, that means it is yours. Realize it and fix it in your minds. I hope you would be able to better utilize your time from today. It's your time. So take it as something very personal. It's yours. Don't allow somebody else to take it from you. With this, I'll close the video for today, guys, and I'll be back very soon with more powerful messages such as these. Take care. Keep safe.